Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make macaroni salad with ham. First, gather all your ingredients, including elbow macaroni, your favorite ham, and fresh vegetables. Next, cook the macaroni according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente. While that's cooking, you can start preparing your creamy dressing. This easy method ensures a delicious and satisfying dish every time, perfect for any gathering or a simple weeknight meal. Once your macaroni is cooked, drain it well and rinse with cold water. This stops the cooking process and keeps the pasta from sticking together. Now, it's time to prepare your ham. Dice your cooked ham into small, uniform pieces. Then, finely chop fresh celery and red onion. These additions will provide a wonderful crunch and a burst of flavor, complementing the creamy texture of the salad beautifully.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And on another note, if you're planning to make this delicious macaroni salad for meal prep, you'll love these leak-proof containers. They make storing and transporting your food super easy. You can find the link for these containers and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. In a large bowl, combine mayonnaise, a good quality Dijon mustard, and a splash of apple cider vinegar for a little tang. Add a pinch of sugar, salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Whisk all these ingredients thoroughly until the dressing is smooth and perfectly combined. This balanced dressing is the heart of our delicious macaroni salad. With your dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold the diced ham, chopped vegetables, and the cooled macaroni into the creamy dressing. Make sure all the ingredients are evenly coated, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. Once mixed, cover the salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making it even more delicious.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.